Education has always been a key measure for me to make a progression in my life. I have been connected to international education since 2007, and my experience has been widely based on working with many different providers during my journey, and starting Orange College when we started the business in 2015. So since then, a lot of people who have taken education have improved not just their own lives but people around them as well. And of course, this is a part of the mentality change that we are looking at, making sure that students are understanding, even the staff and the multicultural environment that we live in. Trade with Purpose for us is to ensure we are making people, students, capable of the real world challenges and real world environment. A lot of students have given very positive feedback. Especially, they are very proud of what they are achieving because they can see what they've planned is built in front of them, and they've contributed to those skills, what they have learned. This is not just a project, it is more emotion as well as outcome attached to it.